Hello everyone! Welcome to Vivian's Kitchen. Today I'm making Concord jelly. Concord jelly is a sweet and rich spread with distinct, bold grape flavor and smooth jelly-like texture characterized by its deep plum-like color. Homemade grape jelly from the backyard has a richer, more flavor than its store-bought counterpart. Its unique character reflects in the preparation method used, often invoking a sense of nostalgia for home cooking. Alright, I picked 10 pounds of Concord grapes. Alright, let's get started. First, wash the grapes. Alright, next I put 2.5 cups water and I smash with potato masher. Next, I cook the grapes for about 5 minutes. Already, now time to process. Alright, I make 13 cups out of 10 pounds. I use liquid fruit thickening 4 packs. Next, 7 cups of sugar. Alright, rolling boil, cook it for 4 minutes. I made 6 half pints out of 10 pounds grapes. Promise, this is so good. Sweet and rich. It has a strong, unmistakable sweet grape flavor that captures the essence of the fruit. Mouthfeel, the texture is silky and smooth on the tongue and it melts instantly when warm on toast. Sweetness, the flavor is instantly sweet with a balanced tartness that prevents it from being cloying. And the flavor, the taste is pure concentrated essence of fresh grapes. Thank you guys for watching. See you in next video. Bye. Make sure hit like, subscribe, and share.